my final year right now, and I'm studying from Fairfield Institute of Management and Technology that is affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. So when I joined this course, I was in my fourth year, but now due to certain circumstances, I wasn't able to complete it. But thanks to the Law Seeker team, I got the opportunity to complete the course, and now I completed it with A plus score. Was actually very valuable because from fourth year, that too at that time when we were in lockdown, so there were not many opportunities from where we could learn. So when I enrolled myself in this course, it really helped me to gain very valuable insights, and it quite helped me in my internships as well. So when I was doing this course in my fourth year, I got the opportunity to intern with one of the law firms, and that opportunity was also given through the internship team of LawSeco. So I secured that internship through LawSeco itself, and there I was asked to draft a writ petition. So that in the civil litigation course, we are not taught actually how to draft a writ petition, but because we are taught that how what are the practical nuances of how drafting works, and what all drafting is actually like, from the numbering to vocabulary to how we have to bring out the sentences. That I incorporated that learning from the course. I incorporated while drafting my writ petition, and I was the feedback was great in which I got from my internship. So that was one of the instances I remember, and this way the course was very helpful. And again, in understanding the subject, because CPC is one of the most basic, yet it becomes tricky at times to understand. So my theoretical aspects are somewhat now cleared, and I joined the course with the presumption that I could learn not all things, but some of them. And I'm happy and satisfied that, yes, I'm able to learn at least some of the things at the end of the course. Really recommend everyone to upskill yourselves. Like, we have to upskill, we have to show that one point, that why we should be selected and why not that another person would be selected. So that could come if we would have some more potential. That doesn't mean that one should do this particular course or not. One should just gain that skills by time, and this way it would help. And one of the reason why I found this course very useful to me, because I was fascinated of the reason by the fact that the course would help me in securing an internship, and I got many internships through LawSeco. So yes, this would I would recommend people to who are students who are basically struggling, that if they find this course to be useful, they would help to themselves to secure an internship through this as well. Feel that you guys are doing superb job. So no suggestions from my end. And thank you for bringing this course.